Okay, Peterson. Hey guys! Chris here. Some of you might know me as Weegis or Conster, Chris, whatever you know me as. I'm here.
I hate your energy.
I'm so excited to introduce my first ever mukbang. And yeah, I always gotta start with a glass of water.
Oh, I thought we were gonna get to clap.
Whoa, get on the show!
We're about to introduce my first meal on my mukbang channel.
It's just dark.
Hot and sour soup. Would you look at that?
Yeah.
Now, party people, I have a story about hot and sour soup. That's
We don't want to hear it.
When I was, per se, 2 or 3, I had never eaten hot and sour soup. Never. And now that I'm young, old, and wise, I know. If you ever want to achieve something in your life, you shouldn't be afraid to do it. All right? And now, as I always say on my channel, spread love and peace in the world, and don't ever let people, don't show people, don't be afraid to show people to, don't be worried, don't be scared to achieve your dreams. That's what I've always said on my channel. Let me just try to get a good angle here. Okay, guys, we have some technical issues.
What are you shaking?
Can you see that okay?
Yeah, we can see your shitty well water.
I mean, it's really not that bad.
Looks like the inside of a porta potty.
Who are you to wait?
Wow.
Okay.
Chris, make the first bite.
First bite.
Johnny.
You ready? First bite.
Ooh, it looks so nasty.
It looks like Johnny and Chris are having an eating competition.
That wasn't bad. That was pretty. It's spicy tamale. Always gotta drink your water.
No one says that.
Everyone's been listening to the constant music, and they come back to your channel.
And second bite.
How's it taste? Why are you looking at me like that?
It tastes even worse than the first.
Stop looking at me.
Third bite.
Johnny, put on your shirt.
What? Okay.
Put the cat down, man.
What?
Yeah,
Dude, I thought he put on a ninja.
You have bruises.
I'm better. Oh yeah, I do.
Abuse. Okay, guys.
I can beat up my dad.
That was my first
Put
mukbang.
cigarettes out on his stomach.
That was my first. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for my second mukbang ever. Good. Spread love and peace in the world, and don't forget to don't forget to drink your water.
That sounds so nasty.